Welcome to Study Loop.
This question is asking us to think about how thyroid hormones specifically stimulate metabolic activity throughout the body. It gives us a number of options as to how the thyroid might increase metabolic activity, but I want us to work through the process of two specific thyroid hormones, follow the path of how they increase metabolic activity, and that's going to lead us to the right answer. So the thyroid produces two key hormones to this process, thyroxine right here, and this one's hard to say. It's triiodothyronine. That's a mouthful, but it's another one that's important to know. And what you need to memorize about these two hormones is that they do affect nearly every cell type in the body. There are a few exceptions. For instance, it does not affect the testes, the uterus, blood cells, or the spleen, but if you're not one of those cell types, you are responsive to these hormones. And these hormones are going to bind to receptors on the mitochondria. And as you probably know, mitochondria are in charge of ATP production. So these hormones are going to increase ATP production, and that will increase your basal metabolic rate, or the production of heat in the body. And so it's pretty clear to us now, after working through that process, that the correct answer to this question is C. And just to reiterate, the correct answer is C because different tissues have thyroid hormone receptors, right? And those different tissues we identified is nearly all tissues are responsive to those two thyroid hormones except for those few exceptions. So the answer is C.